The 2021 10-speed 5.0. You guys see it, man? 2021 10-speed 5.0. My boy Gabby just took delivery of that yesterday. How you feel, man? Feel good? Coming from the yellow banana. It was a 16, right? Or 15? 2015 Mustang GT. He just got this brand new 2021, man. This thing is nice as hell. You've only had it a day. Barely only a day, so it's fresh, man. Yeah, well, let's freaking take a look at it. You guys see it? So is there any differences on this one, like compared to your 15? Like on the outside and all that?
The outside, the front bumper, the headlights, the turning signal.
Oh, so it comes with the new front bumper on it? Yeah, that's clean. And the new headlights as well?
Yeah.
You got the white stripe right there. I like the white stripe. You said you wanted to take it off.
I'm thinking about it.
Why you want to take it off?
I like the banana.
Yeah, but you're different. I like it. I don't know. I think it adds a little character to it. That's how you know it's brand new. Came with the quad tips. You guys see it right there? And then the tail lights are a little more rounded. Yeah. Came with the wing right there as well. You guys see the wing on it. The nice wheels too. Those wheels are clean, bro. Oh, they're 19s? Yeah. And the P0s. And then you got the 6-piston Brembo brakes. I seen that. Black with the red. And matching with the red 5.0 right there. Well, let's check out the engine real quick.
A little different.
Let's see what's up under the hood. Cool around for that little, you already know.
Got it?
Yeah, I got. Oh, okay, you got to push it. Oh, dang. Oh yeah, I forget on the Mustangs you still got to use that. I guess that's cool though, because if the hydraulics ever go out, like on the ones that do have it, then yeah, you know what I'm saying. Oh, comes with the little brace. Do all of them come with that?
Just the premiums.
All premiums come with that? Yeah. Oh, dang, you got the new cover on it.
Didn't even take all this.
Dang, that's clean. Oh, shit, you still got all the plastic on it and all that. Damn, bruh, scary. Final Destination type shit. Yeah.
Direct injection.
Direct injection?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, that's dope. So you don't need a catch can soon. Hey, it looks clean in here. I like it, dude. Yeah. Especially with that brace. Don't get used to it because it's about to look a whole lot different pretty damn soon. Gabby already got everything to go FBO. We're about to see some real shiny pipes down there pretty soon. See a new intake manifold. What are you gonna do with this when you put the new intake manifold? Will it still fit?
Nah, I'm gonna put it.
Dang, it looks clean like that though, I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah, there it is, guys. You see it. 5.0. How many horsepower?
I think 465.
465 from the factory. How much torque?
Sure, maybe like 420.
This thing is clean, man. I ain't gonna lie. Let's have open the inside, man. See what's going on in here. It's the PP1, yeah? Ooh, open the door. You guys see it right there. Mustang with nice leather seats with the white stitching on them. Okay. It's comfortable, nice and comfy. Got the gauges right there. Okay, little Mustang. Hey, remind me of 7th grade. What y'all know about Jaquan? Oh, dang. And then you guys see it right there, the nice digital dash. So is that new to the 2021s or?
I think 18 and up, yeah.
18 and up got the digital dash. You hit the pony. You see all the modes right there. My mode, exhaust modes, normal, sport, track. Oh, you got quiet so you don't wake up the neighbors.
With the headers.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Like if you put it on quiet right now and you start it, it'll start quiet?
Yeah, you wanna start it?
So should we start it quiet? Oh, it says quiet start right there, boom. So that means quiet start is on if there's an X on it, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see how it sounds with the quiet start. Pretty quiet. All right, that was the quiet start. Let's see the regular start. Oh, when you go into track and all that?
Yeah, what's on normal?
Yeah, I put it on quiet.
Try it again.
Let's see.
There you go.
Oh, it was a little quieter, huh? Yeah, so it starts quiet. That's bro, honestly, I wish the Charger had that. You guys see my car over there. I couldn't bring it in here. It's a little too steep. Almost broke my whole lip off. But I wish that Charger had it because I can't even leave the house after like 11, bro. I feel bad.
Waking up all the neighbors?
Yeah, wake up the whole neighborhood. And all I have is a mid-muffler delete, so I could only imagine this thing with headers and all that other stuff.
I'm gonna just put headers.
Headers?
Yeah.
Let's see if we started in track mode. See if it sounds any different. A little bit. Oh, okay, yeah, switches up the whole cluster.
Yeah.
That's the normal one. Sport.
Plus.
Okay, Sport Plus.
And then track.
Track mode. Boom, again. Oh, that's dope.
That one's nice.
Yeah, that's dope. I like that one.
You see the, they drag's the same thing.
Oh, and you got drag mode too?
Yeah, and it has snow mode.
Dang, came with all kinds of different settings.
Yeah.
That's dope, and you switch them all right there. That's pretty much the same, huh? That's how it is in other Mustangs
it just
too.
didn't have this, I guess.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
it had that, but not the what's it called, cluster.
Oh yeah, it switches up the cluster. That's dope, dude. I ain't gonna lie. Dang, and this is bigger. I see. I know in the other ones I've been in Mustangs and they're like about this big.
The base model ones. Franco, nah.
Oh, shots. You hear that, Franco?
Nah, just kidding.
Shots fired, son. Nah, but I see. Yeah, that's a nice size screen right there. Got the oil pressure. You got the leather right here on the dash. Got this little nice material.
And it lights up at night, man.
Does it?
Yeah.
What, like the floor and
The
stuff?
floor, the gauges, and the door.
Oh, dang. Okay, you get it all lit up in here. You guys see the nice Mustang right there. The back seats look comfortable. I'm not gonna lie.
Probably
Look,
a little tight though.
oh yeah, tight as hell. But I mean, if you were able to sit back there, like a little bucket.
It hugs you.
Yeah, hugs you.
Your turn, Louie.
Huh?
Your turn.
What do you mean?
You get a 10-speed.
Oh shit, I don't know, man. You guys know I miss stick shift. Gabe went from stick shift to auto. So we're gonna see how you feel about it so far.
I like it. No
You
more
like it?
moving my hand or my foot.
That's how I felt at first too. Like I felt like, oh, it's cool to not have to worry about it, you know, like, cause it gets annoying always having to freaking switch back and forth, shifting gears.
In traffic.
Yeah, in traffic especially. But then after a while, as the months went on, I was like, man, I ain't gonna lie, I miss that manual, bro. You think you're gonna miss it, or
Yeah.
you think you'll miss it? What are you gonna do when you start missing the manual, dude?
I have a little Honda.
Oh, just hop in the Honda and you'll be like, all right, get your little your fix. What made you want to just pull the trigger so quick?
These are faster.
True that. Should we go for a little ride or what?
You want to try it?
Fuck it, I'm down. Oh, open the valve right there. So the first one was valves closed, that one was valves open. You can hear it too. Alright, this is my first time ever driving a 10-speed Mustang. My boy 510 speed, my bad bro, I was gonna wait, but my boy Gabby messed around and got a 2021, so gotta do what we gotta do, man. You see it right there, he has 95 miles on it, 160 on the dash. Until he gets the tune and all that other stuff, you know, probably go past that.
You gonna put it on sport? No?
Yeah, we'll do sport, yeah. Start up in Sport Plus.
You go all the way if you want, all the way to sport.
Oh, so what's the difference with that, drive and sport?
What's it called?
It's sport and sport?
Yeah, I guess it shifts harder.
2 sports? Make sure my car's locked. Oh shit. Feels fast already, dude. I ain't even stepping on it.
Yeah, I think when you put it on sport, it feels a little more torquey.
Yeah, it feels, I like the way it feels already, not gonna lie. It feels nice and tight.
You are tight like a tiger. Yes.
I ain't gonna go too crazy because you know it is brand new. He still has to break it in and all that.
What's the spin, huh?
A little bit, you know, especially on this road. Oh yeah. I like how these signals, the little flicker,
Yeah.
it's small. I like how compact it is.
How's the Charger?
It's big and bulky, just like the car. Brimbos. Try out the paddle shifters.
It responds quickly.
It does.
Yeah, you should do a 40.
I don't want to go too crazy like that.
Just do it. I did it yesterday.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to hurt it.
What gear did you do it in?
Second. You have to shift it though.
Okay. I know these, see, it doesn't have as much torque as the Charger, but I know these, like if you got enough room, that's when it really starts to shine, you know, and just go crazy. Oh yeah. You could tell, bro, it just wants to go. That thing ain't gonna slow down.
It doesn't stop.
Hell no.
You gonna get autocross again?
Oh yeah, hell yeah. You gonna take this thing to the autocross?
Probably. Yeah. I'm trying to get it ready.
I like the way it feels with the paddles.
Just more extenders. I feel like fourth gear pulls hard.
It does. And I was short shifting too, because I ain't trying to like take it too high in the RPMs.
Cause I was looking at it like that. Fourth gear goes fucking fast.
What was that vibration right there? Is that because
I think
it's the lane assist,
I
huh?
think you're hitting the lane.
No, it actually vibrates.
Yeah?
Yeah, the whole steering wheel vibrates.
Yeah, it's when you hit the, what's it called, like the little markers?
Oh shit, oh okay, and then it puts you back in this lane?
Yeah.
So that's crazy, that's what that lane assist is. I never experienced that.
Yeah, it was marking you that you were hitting it red.
Yeah, I seen that, and then it'll put you back.
Sometimes.
It doesn't do it like all crazy. I like that though. That's why I didn't get it in mine, because I thought it was gonna like force me back in the lane, you know, but it kind of does it a little bit just to let you know that you're a little too close.
Literally wants a 10 speed now.
This thing's badass, and it's still not even broke in, so you don't even have the full power of it yet.
Oh, the song's good. Oh, I can't have it music.
Yeah, copyright. Nothing but a G thing, baby.
But nobody knows I have it.
I know, Gabe's keeping it a secret. I feel special because select few people know that he has it. So with this one though, you gotta switch gears with the paddle shifters.
You can do that, or you know when you drop the gear, just throw it back and drive.
Right. So how do you go in manual mode in this?
I think it's just the paddles.
Oh, so when you do the paddles, you just throw this and drive from sport to drive.
Yeah, so it'll start shifting itself.
Oh, okay.
Shit, Louie, you hit the 100 miles.
We hit the 100 miles, man. My bad, Gabe. And I broke the cherry on the 100 miles on the triple digits.
Shit, I'm gonna break him in the four digits.
Next, you gotta drive. You haven't drove my car yet, huh?
No, not yet.
Yeah, I know you got work in a little while, but
yeah, next time.
we'll do a full video on that. Mustang 2021 10-speed Mustang owner tells his opinion on the, look at that guy, come on, in the 300. I don't know anybody else in town with the 2021. Gabe's the only one.
The guy with the silver one, but I think it's a 2020 maybe.
Oh, okay.
Or 18.
Yeah, when you said you got it, I thought you got a 2020. I didn't know you got the 2021. I like it though, dude.
You can put the seat more back if you're...
A little bit on knees, a little scrunched up. That's good though. Yeah, steering wheel feels nice. I like the leather on it. This is nice soft leather too, like hella soft.
So what you getting next?
What am I getting next? I don't know, dude. I don't know.
It's trying to spin.
Like with mods and stuff?
That's gonna be right away though. In a few weeks.
Yeah, I mean, shit, you already got, well, we'll talk about it once we get back.
The scat pack.
The Scatty. See the Scatty? This guy?
Everyone's asking me, do you like the Mustang?
Who?
Fun.
He asked you if you like it?
If you like it.
Oh, it's dope. I mean, we didn't get to test it out all the way. I didn't want to go crazy, but this shit's dope. All right, we just got back, man. I do have to say this thing is sick. It drives smooth as hell. The steering wheel is soft as hell, bro. The leather on it, I like the way it feels. It's quick. You could tell that like it doesn't have the torque of a Scat Pack, but you could tell once you get up higher in the miles per hour that thing's just gonna keep going. And whereas the Scat Pack, it'll slow down. Like that's when it starts slowing down and gets a little more sluggish. This thing is the opposite of that. You could already tell, and it doesn't even have the full power yet. No mods, no nothing. Like, yeah, this thing's sick, bro. And you said you already have, we're inside the car too because it's a little windy outside. But you already have are you putting the old headers on this one? So you already have the headers. Intake. Manifold.
And throttle body.
Dude, you're about to be full bolt-on right away.
Yeah.
This dude's about to be full bolt-on in like a few weeks, bro. Like, well, you got to break it in. And as soon as he breaks it in, this dude's about to be full bolt-on already. Sheesh. That's what's up, dude. Thank you for letting me drive it, bro. I appreciate that.
Now it needs a tint.
Yeah, you just need a tint. You know, we sitting in the fishbowl right now. But once you get that tint with the black.
All black?
All black, yeah, it's gonna be sick.
All murdered out now?
All murdered out. Roll up your window.
Fun said it's a skunk.
It's a skunk. Yeah, once you get that tint on it, bro, that thing is gonna look even better. So you think for sure you're gonna take the white stripe off? You think you'll leave it?
Yeah, because I don't want to scratch the paint.
I like it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I like it with the white stripe.
Different hood, baby.
Put a different hood on it. Oh yeah. Comes with the 2 vents right there on the hood. Functional vents for the airflow. Goes through there, up through the hood. You know, these things are like super aerodynamic. You can tell right off the bat how aerodynamic it is. You see, it has also fake vents right there. These things look pretty damn aggressive, dude. Menacing from the front. When you see it in your rear view mirror, you already know. Like, it looks like it's just angry, ready for a battle, ready for action. Got the fog lights on it, and then this thing up here. You see, it's all white. It does already kind of look like a shark.
Yeah, I was gonna say that right now.
Yeah, that thing does look like a shark. So right here, man, you see it, the new 2021 Mustang GT 5.0 owner coming from the 15. We'll see how you feel in a couple months about it. We'll do the long-term review, and man, you'll see this thing in action pretty soon. There it is, guys. You see it. Shout out to Gabby for letting me drive it, you know, and letting me do the review on it. Like I said, he just got it. But yeah, comment down below if you guys want to see more of this Mustang, you know. Gabby's all about that action, man. He got this thing because he wants to go fast, so I can't wait to see what he does with it. He said he's gonna lower it soon. So if you guys want to see more of the Mustang, man, drop it down below in the comments. Go follow Gabby. I'll put his link right there in the description on the screen if you want to keep up with the build. But yeah, man, appreciate you guys. If you guys enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. It helps out tremendously. I appreciate it. All links are down below in the description. Until the next one, I'm gonna see you guys real soon. Who is LouieXIII checking out? My man Gabby. You already know, man. Salute.